We'll guide you through how to turn off private browsing on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. When you're using private browsing, Safari will not remember the pages you visit, search history, or autofill information. So what you need to do is you need to go to the bottom right, and there you can find those three dots. Tap on it. You'll then see these options. What you want to do is go and press all tabs, and you'll then see the different private browsing tabs you've got. In some cases, there can go and be multiple. What we can do is go and close them by pressing the cross in the top right. We've now closed them, and we can then switch back to our tabs. And that's it. You've now gone and turned it off. What you can also do is come out of Safari and open your settings, scroll down to screen time, and you can scroll down to content and privacy restrictions. Turn these on and come to App Store, Media, Web and Games, come to web content and set it to limit adult websites. Enter in the passcode and you can return. And now private is now turned off.